In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Smartsheet notifications. Whether you're managing a complex project or simply trying to keep your daily tasks on track, receiving timely notifications can make a world of difference in maintaining productivity and staying informed. Let's go through the process together. To begin, open Smartsheet and navigate to your account settings. You'll find this typically by clicking on your profile picture or icon, usually located on the upper right corner of the Smartsheet interface. Once you click on it, select Personal Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to a new section dedicated to a variety of personal preferences and account settings, among which you'll find the Notifications option. The Notifications setting is where you can choose how you'd like to be alerted about changes, updates, and deadlines within Smartsheet. This is crucial, as effective notification management ensures you are alerted promptly, allowing you to act accordingly. Upon accessing the Notifications tab, you're presented with a few options. This system provides a simple yet powerful means to tailor how you receive alerts, ensuring that you are informed in the manner that best suits your working style. You have the ability to receive notifications either via in-app alerts, which pop up in the application itself, through email notifications, which will arrive in your inbox, or you can even select both methods for a more comprehensive approach. Now, deciding between these options boils down to personal preference and your workflow needs. If you are someone who is frequently in the Smartsheet application and wants immediate updates, opting for in-app alerts might be more convenient. On the other hand, if you spend significant time away from the program, email notifications might ensure you don't miss important updates while you manage other tasks. For those who want to be doubly sure they're on top of things, enabling both could offer peace of mind. After you've adjusted your preferences to your liking, take a moment to test these settings. You can do this simply by making a minor change within a sheet you're working on and seeing where and how quickly you receive the notification. This step is optional, but highly recommended to ensure that your preferences are working as expected and you're getting alerts as you intended. And that's all there is to it. With your notifications set up, you can move forward with confidence, knowing that Smartsheet will keep you informed in the way that best suits your workflow. Whether it's a subtle ping in the app or a carefully curated email in your inbox, properly configured notifications mean you're always one step ahead. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has clarified how to set up your Smartsheet notifications effectively.